How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to be talking about new construction and the boom here in Florida. As I'm sure everybody knows, new construction has definitely been blowing up, especially here in Florida. So we're going to go do a brief overview of what we're seeing in new construction. So Florida in 2025 has seen just a huge boom in new construction, a lot of inventories coming on the market. But why? Why would someone choose new construction over resale? I mean, typically with resale, don't you get a little lower price per square foot? And well, there's a few reasons why you might want to choose new construction. First, it's going to have those modern designs. They're obviously building for today's standard, where if you're getting that resale property, well, it might be a little more 90s or 80s or 70s. And it might not be exactly to your aesthetic. So the layout could be a little funky. Also with new construction, you have the benefit of warranties and low maintenance cost because you're going to get the benefit of everything having its full life expectancy. So you're not going to have to worry about that roof or replacing those countertops or any of the maintenance that you might see with a resale property. And then also the community amenities. Because everything's being built for today's buyer and today's market, you're going to see a lot of the amenities that buyers, i.e. you, if you're out there looking, are looking for today. So where are the hot spots for new construction? Well, here in Central Florida, we see a ton of it. So here in Citrus and Marion County, also places like Orlando and Lakeland, we're seeing a bunch of new construction hit and being done at a very high level. Also Southwest Florida. There's a lot of strong interest in Naples and Fort Myers area. And then, of course, North Florida, places like Jacksonville, we're seeing it blow up. And we're seeing new construction at all levels. So starter homes all the way up to your multi-million dollar luxury properties. So there's something for everyone if you're looking for new construction. But if you have any specific questions about your situation and if new construction is right for you, be happy to help if you're here in Florida. Just reach out and let me know. And as always, if you find value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.